So let's get started straight away writing equation numbers 1, 2 and 3. We have to find x plus y plus z given that x, y, z are positive reals. Here we have square root x plus 1 plus square root x, square root y plus 1 plus square root y, square root z plus 1 plus square root z. So we will add these two equations. I will write here 1 plus 2, which will give us square root x plus 1 plus square root x plus square root y plus 1 plus square root y plus square root z plus 1 plus square root z equal to 7 plus 8. We will get 15. Again we have square root x plus 1 plus square root x, square root y plus 1 plus square root y, square root z plus 1 plus square root z. So let us assume square root x plus 1 plus square root x equal to a. Square root y plus 1 plus square root y equal to b, and square root z plus 1 plus square root z, suppose this is equal to c. So we can change our equation number 3 in variable ABC, and we can write ABC equal to 60. And from our next equation, which is suppose equation 4, we'll be writing a plus b plus c equal to 15. So we have two equations, ABC 60, a plus b plus c 15, and we have three substitution equations. Now we will use these equations. Let me write here square root x plus 1 plus square root x, and let's multiply this with square root x plus 1 minus square root x. A plus b times a minus b. We can use difference of two squares formula, and we can write square root x plus 1 whole square minus square root x whole square. Square root and square will get over. We will write here x plus 1 minus x plus x minus x will be over. We will get 1. Now this is non-zero quantity and this is our substitution a. So we can find this expression value, which will be equal to square root x plus 1 minus square root x will be equal to 1 over a. A cannot be equal to 0 for real x, y, z. This equation is in variable x. If we will use equation in y variable or in z variable, we will be getting the similar equations but in different variables. So for variable y, we will be writing square root y plus 1 minus square root y. This will be equal to 1 over b. Here b cannot be equal to 0. Similarly, square root z plus 1 minus square root z will be equal to 1 over c. Here c cannot be 0. Now we are going to add these three equations. Let's add first. We'll be writing square root x plus 1 plus square root y plus 1 plus square root z plus 1 minus in bracket square root x plus square root y plus square root z. This must be equal to 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c. Now this is our equation number 2. First bracket is our equation number 2. Value was 8. This is our equation number 1. Value was 7. So in LHS we are going to write 8 minus 7, and in RHS we have reciprocal sum 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c. So we can write 8 minus 7 is 1. We will be writing our equation 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. This will be equal to 1. Now we are going to take LCM over here. I will write here A times B times C. So in the numerator we are going to get BC plus CA plus AB equal to 1. Now we know that ABC is 60. So I can write here AB plus BC plus CA in the numerator. Denominator is 60. So we'll write here 60 equal to 1. So from this equation I will write AB plus BC plus CA will be equal to 60. Now we have A plus B plus C also. So we can find out A square plus B square plus C square, which will be equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. Now A plus B plus C is 15. I will write here 15 square minus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA is here it is 60. We'll write 2 times 60. So 15 square is 225 minus 2 times 60 is 120. We are going to get 105. So A square plus B square plus C square is 105. We will use this result directly. Now I will consider this equation once again. I will write here AB plus BC plus CA equal to 60. Now we know that ABC is 60. Let's divide both sides by ABC or 60. Let us divide by ABC, which is 60. Let me write here ABC, this we know equal to 60. So RHS will become 1. And let's divide AB over ABC. I will get 1 over C plus BC over ABC. I will get 1 over A plus CA over ABC 1 over B will be equal to 1. Or we can write 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C equal to 1. Now we'll be squaring this equation both sides. So let me put part 2 here and here also. Now we'll be using P plus Q plus R whole square identity. We will get 1 over A square plus 1 over B square plus 1 over C square plus 2 times in bracket we can write 1 over AB plus 1 over BC plus 1 over CA. 1 square is 1. Now we have 1 over AB plus 1 over BC plus 1 over CA. Let's simplify this. So I can take LCM over here. So I can write ABC in the denominator. And in numerator we will be getting A plus B plus C. Or C plus A plus B. Both are same. Now we know that A plus B plus C. This is nothing but 15. ABC 60. We will plug in both the values and we will find out this expression value. So I can write here 2 times A plus B plus C is 15. Denominator ABC is 60. So this is 30 over 60, which we can write half. So I will write 1 over A square plus 1 over B square plus 1 over C square plus half equal to 1. Now we can subtract half from both the sides to get the value of 1 over A square plus 1 over B square plus 1 over C square. We will get half. This is one very important result as far as our required expression is concerned. Now we will write our substitution equations once again. Square root x plus 1 plus square root x. This was our substitution A. I will write square root x plus 1 minus square root x. This was equal to 1 over A. Now I will subtract second equation from first one. So we will change the sign over here. These two terms will get over. We will write 2 square root x in LHS and A minus 1 over A in RHS. Now we have a square root in LHS. So better is to consider squaring both sides. Now we'll be using A minus B whole square formula in RHS. And in LHS 2 square is 4. Square root x whole square is x. Will be equal to A square plus 1 over A square minus 2. If I will consider our substitution equations in variable y, then we will be getting here b, 1 over b. So I can write our second equation. 4 times y will be equal to b square plus 1 over b square minus 2. Similarly, I can write in variable z, 4z will be equal to c square plus 1 over c square minus 2. Let me write all the three equations over here. Here it is. Now we are going to add these three equations to find our required expression x plus y plus z. So once we will add, we are going to get 4 times required expression x plus y plus z. And in RHS, we will write a square plus b square plus c square plus 1 over a square plus 1 over b square plus 1 over c square minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 6. Now we have a square plus b square plus c square value, which will be equal to, I can write here 105. 1 over a square plus 1 over b square plus 1 over c square, this is half. So I can write 4 times x plus y plus z in LHS. In RHS, we will write 105 plus half minus 6. So 105 minus 6, 99 plus half. 99 plus half is 199 over 2. And in LHS, we have 4 times x plus y plus z. Now we have to divide by 4 both sides. So I will write here 4 times x plus y plus z equal to 199 divided by 2. Now we will divide both sides by 4. So here we will divide by 4. 4 over 4 is 1. We are going to get our required expression x plus y plus z, which will be equal to 199 divided by 8. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.